Hi, I'm Anita Potter from Needles and Hooks, and welcome to episode 5 of Finished Objects and Yarn Buys. So, I've only got the one finished object, and if you watched UFO episode, the last one, you'll see that I finally, if I can pick it up, it's huge, I finished this. My big old basket, or big ass basket, or big awesome basket, however you want to say it. But yeah, it's done. It's already being, oh my god, used, as you can see. So I'm just going to chuck this back behind me. That's the only finished object I've got for this week. And yarn buys. I'm not buying any more yarn this year. I'm good. So we're going to start with this pile of stuff sitting right here. So what I've got here, I'm trying not to knock stuff off. I've already started using it. It's Red Heart Super Saver Jumbo in the colorway light gray. This is going to be for my temperature blanket, the crocheted one. I'm not using this for the knitted one at all, so I need to have, and I will get the tutorial out for that soon, hopefully. Probably not tonight because I have things I have to finish tonight. I'm going to shoot another episode of UFO to FO right after this, so I bought 2 of these just so I have enough. Let me set that back over here as I knock everything off my desk. Anywho, yeah, I have that blanket that I'm trying to put a backing on, so I bought 2 more Bernay blankets. What is this one? This is called Deep Sea. It's very green, so I'm going to pitch it over onto the couch. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Don't. Okay. I'm going to hold on to these. This is also a Bernay blanket in the colorway, what is this? Frosted blue. It's like a light blue. Yeet. It fell to the floor. Oops. I'm also working on a granny stitch blanket, and I'm doing borders around the blocks. I finally finished all the blocks. There's 80 of them. So I'm putting this around the border. It is, what is this? Karen 1 pound in the colorway of Deep Violet. So it's kind of floppy because I've been using it. So I'm going to set it back over here with my set of 10 of these blocks to do it with during my UFO to FO. And I'm going to grab this one because this was an accidental purchase. I was trying to make a decision on whether I wanted this or not, and by the time I got done, it was buried under other yarn that I did want, and then when I got home, I was like, well, whoops. So this is Big Twist Value Pound in the colorway, I think it's Toffee. Let me look. Yep, in the colorway Toffee. So I will find a use for it, just not right now. So, yeet. I am doing Juan the Yarn Addict's Fall Cal, the Autumn Aspirations crochet along. So I've got these 5 colors. I've already done, since I'm an official yarn addict, we got the first 2 weeks. So I've done week 1 and week 2, and I'm waiting to add other colors to it. I've got Big Twist Value in, I think this is Varsity Yellow. Why can't they ever just let me see the color? Why? Yes. It is Varsity Yellow, so I'm going to put it back in this basket over here because I'm not ready for it yet. Another Big Twist Value Pound in the color Wine. I bought 1 of those, and one of the Varsity Yellows too. And this one, I mean, it was Pound of Love. It started out a pound, but I used it. So this is Pound of Love in the colorway, I think it's Pumpkin Spice. Yeah, Pumpkin Spice. I'm just going to set it on top. That basket can't hold these yarns. They didn't have mustard Yeah, mustard in the big pound, value pound. So I had to buy 3 of these. So this is one of the 3. Well, you know what? I'm just going to pitch it over there. And the last one I got is Red Heart Super Saver Jumbo. And I bought 2 of these in the colorway Carrot. So all the fall colors. Chuck. There we go. And that is absolutely it for finished objects and yarn buys. One of these days I'll have more than one finished object. Wouldn't that be lovely? Anyway, let me know what objects you've finished and what yarns you might have purchased this week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.